How to grow a thick beard faster naturally. Are you a man looking to grow a nice, thick and naturally looking beard but don't know how? In this video, we will walk you through all the necessary steps that you should take to grow that beard you have been dreaming to have. Beards have become more and more popular among modern men, and understandably, the lusher the beard, the more handsome it looks. Unfortunately, not all men are lucky enough or have the capability of growing full beards. And for others, it seems to take forever. All that may be for a variety of reasons, including genetics, nutrition, and skincare. Of course, there's not much you can do about your genetic predisposition. However, for those who can, there are other things you can do to grow a thick beard faster naturally. Here are the steps. 1. Exfoliate your skin. Sometimes the reason why hair grows so slowly is that dead skin cells block their passage. The best way to address that situation is to exfoliate your skin regularly. Select a mild exfoliant, as harsher chemicals and abrasives might cause skin irritation. Do this once a week to maintain a cleaner surface that's ideal for fast beard growth. 2. Cleanse twice a day. Just like dead skin cells, sebum and dirt can hinder the growth of facial hair. Even worse, it can lead to unsightly blemishes and ingrown hair. So make a ritual out of cleansing with a good facial wash twice a day. Then finish with a moisturizer that's appropriate for your skin type. 3. Massage your face. Massaging your face helps speed up the growth of your beard. That's because the stimulation effectively dilates tiny arteries and consequently improves blood circulation in the massaged area. With more blood flow, the hair goes through a longer growth cycle. That's the same reason why scalp massages are commonly recommended to people with thinning hair. 4. Apply eucalyptus oil. Whether during your massage or as part of your regular skincare routine, it's a good idea to apply eucalyptus oil in your beard area. Choosing facial products infused with this oil should work just as well. It helps speed up the process of growing a thick beard by reducing blemish-causing inflammation, which is essential to proper hair growth. 5. Take vitamin supplements. Part of the effort of growing a thick beard is making sure your body has the right environment for a healthy hair growth. To make sure you have the complete nutrients ideal for a fast-growing beard, take some of the most essential vitamin supplements. This includes vitamins A, C, E, and biotin. Better yet, find a multivitamin meant for male health support. 6. Consume lots of protein. Keep in mind that hair follicles are mainly composed of protein, so it's essential to nourish your body with their building blocks. Additionally, protein consumption significantly affects the growth of hormones in the body. Male hormones are critical for facial hair growth. In fact, it is the men who have high testosterone and DHT levels who often enjoy fast-growing, lush beards. By incorporating these changes into your lifestyle, you'll be better able to grow a thick beard faster naturally. The best part is that you need not go through expensive treatments to achieve your desired look. Plus, these changes will bring about other positive outcomes, including better health and clearer skin. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications